Throughout the video, these will represent carbons, hydrogen, oxygen, the plasma membrane, protein complexes, electrons, NAD+, FADH, and phosphate.
Inside the cytoplasm, there's a 6-carbon glucose molecule that will split into 3-carbon pyruvate molecules. This we're going to follow one pyruvate molecule. For this pyruvate molecule, when it splits from its other 3, water is produced and released as a byproduct. One of the pyruvate molecules will become phosphorylized, and when this happens, it'll take in 2 ATP as well as 2 NAD pluses and convert that into 4 ATP and 2 NADHs.
Citric acid cycle can begin. The 3-carbon pyruvate enters the mitochondria. One of the carbons is broken off and forms carbon dioxide, and a molecule of NADH is produced from the reduction of NAD+. The 2-carbon molecule, now known as acetyl coenzyme A, enters the citric acid cycle, where it binds to a 4-carbon molecule, leaving a 6-carbon molecule. During the citric acid cycle, this 6-carbon molecule loses another carbon, and another molecule of carbon dioxide is produced. And another molecule of NADH is produced from the reduction of NAD+. Now with the 5-carbon molecule, yet again another carbon is broken off and forms carbon dioxide, leaving behind 4 carbons. And another molecule of NADH is produced, along with 1 molecule of energy in the form of ATP. This 4-carbon molecule now undergoes a series of reactions from enzymes, and another molecule of NADH is produced, and 1 molecule of FADH2 is produced. And now this 4-carbon molecule is the exact same 4-carbon molecule that we saw at the beginning of the citric acid cycle, and thus the cycle repeats itself. Because there are 2 pyruvates per glucose, the citric acid cycle is completed 2 times before the electron carriers enter the electron transport chain. Thus, at the end of the citric acid cycle, we have 8 NADHs produced, 2 FADHs produced, and 2 ATPs produced.
An electron goes through all of the protein complexes. And at the last one, hydrogen goes through the ATP and produces 32 ATP.